Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of ditching the 9 to 5, avoiding the daily commute, and working comfortably in your PJs, all while making great money, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 10 high-paying jobs that you can do entirely from home. Whether you're looking for a career change, side hustle, or a way to build long-term wealth, these jobs can help you earn big without ever leaving your house. So grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. Software developer. Let's start with one of the most in-demand and well-paid remote jobs out there, software development. With companies all over the world building websites, apps, and digital platforms, skilled developers are always needed. If you know languages like Python, JavaScript, or Java, or are willing to learn, you could be earning $80,000 to over $150,000 per year, right from your home office. And the best part? You don't necessarily need a college degree. Boot camps, online courses, and real-world projects can get you hired. Digital marketing specialist. Next up, we've got digital marketing. This field includes social media management, SEO, content creation, paid ads, email campaigns, and more. If you're good with strategy and analytics, or if you have a creative side, this career can be both fun and financially rewarding. Many remote digital marketers earn between $60,000 and $120,000 plus a year, especially if you specialize in a niche like Facebook ads or SEO. And since nearly every business needs an online presence today, demand is sky high. UX/UI designer. User experience and user interface designers work on making apps, websites, and software both beautiful and easy to use. It's a mix of creativity, psychology, and tech. If you have a strong design sense and enjoy problem solving, this could be the perfect fit. UX/UI designers working remotely can easily make $70,000 to $130,000 annually, depending on experience and specialization. Tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch are your best friends here, and the work is almost always remote-friendly. Freelance writer or copywriter. Love to write? Freelance writing is one of the most flexible, high-paying jobs you can do from home. Copywriters, those who write persuasive content like ads, sales pages, and emails, are especially in demand. Rates can vary, but top freelance writers earn $50,000 to $150,000 plus per year, and sometimes even more. You can specialize in technical writing, blogging, ghostwriting, or content marketing. All you need is a laptop, some samples, and the ability to meet deadlines. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants support businesses with tasks like email management, scheduling, customer service, and social media, all done remotely. It's a great option if you're organized, detail-oriented, and reliable. As you gain experience, you can niche down into areas like executive assistance or project management and earn $30 to $70 per hour, which can translate to $50,000 plus per year. Bonus tip: you can even build your own VA agency and scale up with a team. Data analyst. If numbers are your thing, becoming a data analyst might be the perfect remote gig. Data analysts help businesses make decisions by interpreting complex data sets. With tools like Excel, SQL, Tableau, or Python, you can land remote jobs that pay $70,000 to $130,000 or more. Plenty of free and paid courses are available online to help you get started, even if you don't have a data background. Online course creator. Have a skill or knowledge others want to learn. Package it into an online course or start coaching clients virtually. From fitness and cooking to business and tech, there's a market for just about everything. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or even Zoom make it easy to get started. Top online educators and coaches can make 6 or even 7 figures, especially if they build a brand and audience. Cybersecurity specialist. With cyber threats increasing every year, cybersecurity has become a massive industry, and many roles can be done entirely from home. From security analysts to ethical hackers, these jobs are crucial and command serious pay. Average salaries range from $90,000 to over $150,000, with many remote opportunities across industries. This job usually requires some tech background, but it's one of the most future-proof fields out there. E-commerce store owner. Running an online store is no longer just for big companies. Thanks to platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon FBA, anyone can start an e-commerce business from home. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, dropshipping products, or designing merch, e-commerce offers a huge income potential. Some people make a few $100s a month, others, tens of thousands. It's not easy money, but with the right product and strategy, it can be life-changing. Content creator. Last but not least, content creation. Yes, this job isn't just real, it can be incredibly profitable. YouTubers, TikTok creators, and streamers make money through ads, sponsorships, merch, and affiliate marketing. While it takes time to grow an audience, creators who stick with it can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $100,000 plus per month. All you need is a phone, a passion, and consistency. So there you have it, 10 high-paying jobs you can do from home that offer flexibility, freedom, and real income potential. Whether you're tech-savvy, creative, analytical, or a natural communicator, there's a remote career path out there waiting for you. The future of work is remote, and now is the perfect time to get started. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Comment below and let us know, which of these jobs are you most interested in? Or do you already work remotely? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.